Got a really quick video for you guys today. I'm going to be swapping out the shower head in my master bathroom. Let me just show you the stuff that I bought. So I bought a Delta shower head, and I bought an 8-inch shower arm, and I actually already had some Teflon tape and a set of pliers with some rubber tips on it. The rubber tips and pliers aren't 100% necessary, but just in case the old one that I have is tough to come off, I'll want to use this one. And you don't actually have to have the rubber tips on it, just the rubber tips just makes it so you don't damage or scrape the pipe. But because I'm going to be throwing away the old shower arm, it really doesn't matter if it's damaged or not. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go ahead and use this. So let's go upstairs and take a look at that shower. This is the bathroom that we're going to be swapping the shower head in. We're actually going to swap the shower arm with this guy. This guy right here is just literally screwed into the pipe that's inside the wall, so we're going to unscrew that. And I should be able to do that with my hands, but if not, I'm going to use the pliers that have those little plastic tips on them. One quick note, you do not have to turn off the water to the house because I've already got these guys turned off, and if these guys are turned off, no water is going to come out of the head. Let's take this old one down. There you go, you see that? No pliers necessary. And you can see the old Teflon tape that's on there. Here's the old shower head, the one that we're going to be throwing away. I went ahead and I wrapped the tape around both sides of this. That one was really easy. Now it's time to put the head on it. It did take a little bit of muscle just to make sure everything was lined up right. All I've got left is I got to put a little bit of plumber's putty in here, and we can do that right now. This is the plumber's putty that we're going to use, but before I stick this on there, I'm going to turn the faucet on just to make sure we don't have any leaks. I think we're good, but I am going to let that run for a little while. I don't want to put the plumber's putty up in there and seal it in if that's leaking. So I'll just let it run for a minute. An easy way to tell if it's leaking is sometimes it's kind of hard to tell. I just got a balled up piece of toilet paper here. I'm going to stick that in the hole. Dry. Push that in there, right underneath there. Pull this out, and it's nice and dry. So let's put some plumber's putty in there. Got it all sealed up with the plumber's putty. Now we just slide this guy there, and we're done. You can obviously call a plumber and you can spend $150 to come and do something like this, but I would highly recommend trying to do this yourself because it is super easy and a really easy way to save a couple $100 because I'm sure you guys are watching this. I'm sure everybody's called a plumber before. Plumbers aren't cheap. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if this was your first time to my channel, please subscribe. Have yourself a great day.